Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Tumble Leaf Toys is probably one of the most sought-after collections for parents looking to spark imagination and encourage developmental play in their little ones, offering a unique blend of educational value and pure fun that keeps children engaged for hours on end, making it a standout choice in the crowded market of children's entertainment and learning tools. Number 5. Wooden Racetrack Car Ramp Racer. Prioritize your child's safety with our wooden racetrack. It's crafted from high-quality, non-toxic materials and rigorously tested to meet the highest safety standards. You can be confident that the pieces are secure and won't come apart, ensuring worry-free playtime. Watch as they send 4 colorful cars down the vibrant ramps from the top parking lot. This exciting activity not only provides endless fun but also enhances their visual tracking skills and sense of storage as they collect the cars. This compact and sturdy toy is the ideal gift for birthdays or any occasion for toddlers aged 1 to 2. It requires minimal assembly, making it ready for immediate fun at home or on the go. Encourage the development of essential skills like hand-eye coordination and attention span. It also fosters cooperation and communication as they learn to share and take turns with their cars. Specifically designed for toddlers aged 1 to 2, the ramps are perfectly sized for a single car at a time. This unique design makes it an ideal and thoughtful gift for any 1-year-old. They will absolutely love this toy and can spend hours playing with it, either independently or with parents and friends. It's a gift that keeps on giving joy and developmental benefits. What we like. This toy is made from high-quality, non-toxic wood, ensuring safety for your little ones. It features a unique top parking lot where cars can be stored, helping develop a sense of organization. If you are looking for a safe and engaging toy that also teaches tidiness, this is a great choice for toddlers aged 1 to 2. What people say. The toy is made of durable wood and has a smooth finish, making it safe for little hands. The bright colors and engaging design captured my child's attention immediately and encouraged imaginative play. It's a versatile toy that can be used for various activities, promoting fine motor skills and problem solving. Number 4. MAGNA-TILES Classic 32-piece Magnetic Construction Set. Introducing the original and most celebrated magnetic construction set. This set features classic geometric shapes in vibrant primary colors. This set includes 32 translucent geometric shapes in 6 different colors. You'll find squares and triangles in various sizes. It's a certified STEAM toy designed to help develop essential skills. This includes fine motor skills, creativity, and cognitive development. This is the ideal starter set for children aged 3 and up. It's a wonderful gift to spark their imagination. Begin your building journey with this classic set. See where your child's imagination takes them next. All pieces are designed to work seamlessly with every other set in our collection. Expand your building possibilities endlessly. These pieces are built for lasting fun and safety. Our unique design prevents cracking, and magnets are securely fastened. What we like. This is the original magnetic building brand, offering translucent geometric shapes for endless creativity. It's certified as a STEAM toy, promoting crucial developmental skills. If you want a foundational magnetic building set that is compatible with all other sets and encourages a wide range of learning, this is the perfect starter kit for children aged 3 and up. What people say. The product is made of high-quality, durable materials that are safe for children. The design is engaging and encourages imaginative play, with bright colors and interesting shapes. It features multiple interactive elements that keep children entertained for hours. Number 3. MAGNA-TILES Arctic Animals 25-piece Magnetic Construction Set. Embark on an icy adventure with the original magnetic building brand. This set brings the Arctic to life with fun animal figures and themed tiles. Included are 5 adorable Arctic animal friends, a whale, penguin, seal, polar bear, and baby polar bear. They are ready to join your imaginative play. Explore unique tiles featuring ice and footprint details. These elements help spark new ideas and bring your Arctic creations to life. This toy is certified STEAM, aiding in the development of fine motor skills, cognitive abilities, language, social skills, teamwork, and creativity. A wonderful gift for children aged 3 and up. It's designed to ignite their passion for animal adventures and imaginative building. Let's get wild. Discover more sets in the MAGNA-TILES animal collection and collect them all for even more fun. All pieces are compatible with other MAGNA-TILES sets. Built for durability, our signature design ensures safe and secure playtime for hours on end. What we like. This set brings the Arctic to life with 5 adorable animal figurines and tundra-themed tiles. It's designed to spark imaginative play and a love for animal adventures. If your child is fascinated by animals and enjoys creative building, this magnetic tile set is an excellent gift to encourage exploration and storytelling. What people say. The product is very durable and has withstood rough play for my toddler. The design is simple yet engaging, with bright colors that capture my child's attention. It's easy to clean and maintain, which is a huge plus for busy parents. Number 2. Magnetic Tiles Dinosaur Toys for Kids 3 to 7. Keep your children entertained for hours with these adorable animal magnetic building blocks. Let them build and play, so they won't be glued to screens. Spark creativity and develop cognitive skills with these magnetic tiles building blocks. They support fine motor development, logical thinking, and shape and color recognition. Made from premium ABS material, these magnetic tiles are safe for little ones. They feature rounded edges and corners for worry-free playtime. This magnetic tiles building set includes 50 magnet tiles. Each piece has a strong magnet, ensuring your creations stay stacked. Let your child's imagination run wild with this exciting gift. It's perfect for Christmas or birthdays, encouraging creative play. What we like. This set offers 50 magnetic tiles with a fun dinosaur theme, perfect for building prehistoric worlds. It's made from kid-friendly ABS material with rounded edges for safe play. If you're looking for an engaging way to keep kids away from screens, develop their cognitive skills, and provide hours of building fun with a popular theme, this is an exciting option for ages 3 to 7. What people say. The toy is made of durable wood and has smooth edges, making it safe for little hands. It encourages imaginative play and helps develop fine motor skills through its interactive design. The vibrant colors are non-toxic and appealing to young children, stimulating their visual development. Number 1. Hasbro Gaming Connect 4 Classic Grid. Get ready for a head-to-head challenge. Try to get 4 discs of the same color in a row to win this classic game with a modern twist. Strategy is key in this exciting board game. Line up your discs, block your opponent, and be the first to achieve 4 in a row. This version takes the beloved game to the next level with a sleek style and cool colors that will keep everyone engaged. Enjoy classic gameplay, a fast-paced frenzy variation, or a unique option that allows discs to be dropped or ejected from the bottom. It's easy to learn and quick to set up, making it a fast-playing favorite for families and kids aged 6 and up. Looking for a great gift? This strategy board game is an excellent choice for kids and families who enjoy classic games. What we like. This is the Classic Connect 4 game with a sleek, modern style and cool colors. It offers exciting head-to-head strategy and multiple ways to play, including a fast-paced frenzy mode. If you're looking for an easy-to-learn, quick, and fun game for 2 players that encourages strategic thinking, this is a fantastic choice for family game nights or as a gift for kids aged 6 and up. What people say. The toy is made of durable wood and has smooth edges, making it safe for little hands. The bright colors and engaging design captured my child's attention immediately. It's a versatile toy that encourages imaginative play and helps develop fine motor skills. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.